everybody. Welcome to My Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I am showing you some new things that has been delivered to me to deliver to you all, okay? So this is the Rosemary Delight coconut oil, okay? This is for hair growth, moisture, and shine. It's gonna be for moisturizing your hair, and it's also a natural leave-in conditioner as well. I always use the coconut oil on my hair after I've just washed my hair. That's one of the best leave-in conditioners, natural leave-in conditioners that you can use on your hair after you just washed it to keep your hair moisturized and detangled, okay? I use coconut oil to detangle my hair as well. So I wanted to have it available for you all. So every time I use something on my hair, I want to be able to make it available for you all as well. So if I'm using coconut oil, you all can use coconut oil as well. But just make sure that you're not allergic to coconut oil or anything coconut related. If you are allergic to coconut oil, then I would recommend to not use coconut oil. You can use another type of carrier oil like sweet almond oil or grapeseed oil, black seed oil, sunflower oil. There's other types of natural carrier oils, argan oil. You can also use avocado oil. Avocado oil is a very, very great natural carrier oil that you can use to moisturize your hair, and it benefits your scalp as well. It's a natural hair growth carrier oil, okay? So I just wanted to start with the coconut oil because this is what I started with when I started to go natural. I started with coconut oil, water, and flaxseed gel, okay? This is the Rosemary Delight Hair Growth Shampoo, okay? These are the labels that I'm going to be placing on each container. So the first label that you saw was the Rosemary Delight Coconut Oil, and in my right hand, I am simply going to place the Hair Growth Shampoo, okay, on the containers. So let's take a look and see what we have here. All right, so we have the 8-ounce Cosmo Round clear bottles, okay? These are for the hair growth shampoo. So these are the white tips to the hair growth shampoo. And as you can see here, I have the purple labels. I'm going to be placing the purple labels on the containers after I sanitize and wash the bottle, okay? I gotta get these bottles clean first before I put anything inside or even outside of these bottles, okay? Because I want you all to have the best natural ingredients on your hair, okay? Our hair deserves the very best. So that's why I want to provide you all the very best, okay? This is the Lord's work, okay? This is not my doing. This is clearly God's work. He has called me to share the knowledge of just taking care of your natural hair. And for the past 5 years, actually the past 4 years, except last year, the past 4 years before 2023, My Natural Hair Delight was just a hobby. It was really just simply teaching you all how to take care of your natural hair. But I had no idea that God wanted me to provide natural hair care products for you all. And so it wasn't until last year of 2023 that he told me to write a book called I Want My Hair Back. And I started it and completed it. I had no idea what he wanted me to do to it. I'm a musician. I've been a musician all my life. I play the piano. And so I never thought or imagined that God wanted me to talk about hair or even start up a hair care line. That never came across my mind ever, until God put it on my heart back in 2019 to start making videos about natural hair care. And so I was still learning how to take care of my natural hair back in 2019. I went natural in 2013, but I didn't start using natural ingredients until 2019. So it took me a whole course of 6 years of learning how to take care of my natural hair before I started to see hair growth on my hair. And as you can see, some of my old videos, these are like the videos when I very first started my natural hair delight in 2019. And so now my hair has grown ever since, and I've just kept using natural ingredients. And at first I thought it was impossible to use natural ingredients, but God has given me the knowledge and revelation of how to use each ingredient for my hair. So that's why I want to provide it for you all, to help you all to take care of your natural hair. And I know that God will provide my every need, and He will supply your every need, okay? And He wants you to embrace your natural hair. He wants you to embrace the hair that He has created, that He has placed on your head, so that you can enjoy it and rock it with confidence, okay? So that's why I'm here today, to help you all to take care of your natural hair. I am currently sold out of the hair growth butters and the 4-ounce hair growth oils. So I appreciate all of you for taking the time to watch the videos every week, to purchase a product from you, to trust me to help you to take care of your natural hair, okay? And even if you are watching and you don't have natural hair, but you still want to take care of it, you still want your hair to grow, I am here to help you all as well, okay? So, thank you all for tuning into this channel. If this is your first time, welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. Thank you all for watching. God bless you all. Have a blessed and wonderful day. I will talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.